The eighth topic in this unit is customer relationship management, which is also known as CRM in short. So, what is CRM? CRM is a customer relationship management, which is a large part of any successful business operation. In the online retail sector specifically, managing consumer information is a part of the overall process of running a viable e-commerce platform. At its most fundamental level, CRM software will allow your company to manage business relationships and organize the data associated with these partnerships. More specifically, a CRM platform stores both current customer and prospect information collected in one centralized location. A CRM solution will greatly enhance the internal visibility of your current operation and help you to keep track of partnerships and potential sales opportunities on the back end of business. If your e-commerce platform relies on other business to operate, a CRM platform can significantly help to organize a plethora of customer information. Now we will see how CRM will impact your business. In addition to helping organize customer information and keep track of current sales opportunities, CRM systems also improve the collaboration between employees. Since most CRM platforms are cloud-based, they can be accessed from nearly any location as long as you have a secure Wi-Fi connection. Some systems even have apps for mobile devices users, so they truly are accessible from any location. As a result, more visible and organized data will help to provide products and services to your customers that they want. A CRM platform can benefit your online store in different ways. For example, better develop an understanding of customer, attract new customer, retain current customer, decrease customer management cost, and integrate with an e-commerce platform. From a business partnership perspective, working relationships are heightened because e-commerce companies with CRM platform are able to more effectively provide quality customer services. Now we will see how does CRM will impact on customer. The CRM doesn't directly impact the customer because it is more of a business focusing tool. However, if you are able to understand and utilize CRM system properly, your company and its customers will be benefactors. There are 4 aspects of CRM that benefit the customer relationship life cycle. First is marketing, second is sales, third is orders, and fourth is support. In marketing, your business can run campaigns and generate leads based on the current database of information, expanding on what you already have. In sales, your business not only can track its opportunities, but it can also use CRM platforms to assign quality and convert leads into sales. CRM helps track where the customer is in the buying cycle. The third is order. Inventory management integrates with your e-commerce platform so that you can have greater visibility on who you deliver products to and when. In support, it provides high quality customer support services through case management and developing a deep knowledge base on what certain customers do and do not like. Using a CRM, that is customer relationship management system, allows business to attain many objectives. Some of the benefits are streamlined sales and marketing processes, higher sales productivity, added cross-selling and upselling opportunities, improved services, loyalty and retention, increased call center efficiency, higher close rates, better profiling and targeting, reduced expenses, increased market share, higher overall profitability, marginal costing, integration of primary business activities, tracking of all customer interactions, storage of customer data in a single database, and support of a customer life cycle. So these are some common benefits of using CRM. Now we will see the customer life cycle. There are, as shown in figure, there are 4 phases of the customer life cycle. The 4 phases include marketing, customer acquisition, relationship management, and loss or churn. The marketing part of the customer life cycle is when the messages are sent to the target market to attract prospect customers. The next phase is customer acquisition, which means prospect becomes customers when they place an order. The third stage is relationship management. Relationship management is when resale processes increase the value of the existing customers. The end stage of customer life cycle is loss and churn, when inventability in a time of a company may lose a customer. The company then needs to establish a win-back process. The company then needs to decide which lost customers are of more value and try to win back their business. A CRM system integrates all 4 phases of a customer life cycle into 3 major processes. These processes are solicitation, lead tracking, and relationship management. As the diagram shows the 4 phases and the 3 major processes, it will also show the flow of phases and what each phase means. Now we will see some functions of CRM. A customer relationship management system have many different functions that all can be extremely beneficial to any business. CRM systems can process a company's used to track and organize its contacts with its current and prospective customers. CRM store all customer data in a single database. This helps business to avoid customer data errors. It can also improve services for customer to use customer contact information for target markets. The CRM management system integrate all primary business activities. This makes everyday business processes much more efficient. Customer relationship management system prioritize customer using their purchase history. This allows a company to delight which customer are more important and target most of their effort towards. This means that the CRM maximize the value of a company's existing customer base. This system enables employees in every department to see and know the customer's complete history. Enabling employees to review customer history allow them to analyze customer activity and can help to sell more of their product and services to that customer. Employees can do this by viewing customers that have previously ordered large quantities of their product or services. On other hand, we can help a company realize when they have lost customer. A company can do this by seeing past history of a customer. This is helpful so that the company does not waste time on a customer that they have already lost. It can also help to avoid any complaints or issues that customer may have or had in past to correct it on future. Another aspect of CRM is it can help the prospective customers into loyal customers. All these functions help company to maximize the value of their existing customers as well as acquiring a new customers. So in this way, the CRM, customer relationship management, will help your e-business or e-commerce. Thank you.